Are we ready now?
We're ready.
Are we good?
We're good.
Ready to do our first video?
Ready.
I'm excited. I'm Matt Kim. Welcome to the channel and welcome to the first episode of Just Lighting by JL Lighting. Yes, the channel is new to YouTube. We're starting fresh with new lighting content, but we're not new to YouTube. We're not new to social media. And what we've decided is that we're gonna do our best to pair what we've learned via internet marketing, social media marketing, what we've learned through our experience on YouTube, and pair it to make content related to the lighting industry. Things that you as an end user, or as a buyer, or as a distributor, or as an energy service related company can relate to create a forum where we can have discussions about product, new technologies, about ever-changing environment of lighting, and what's right with lighting, what's wrong with lighting, and possibly any industry news in between. That's the purpose of the channel. That's what we're here for. We have been doing lighting for 10 years. That's my experience in lighting. I actually got my first job in lighting 10 years ago working for a factory in China. That's where I got my start. 10 years later, here I am, owner of JL Lighting, trying to figure out a way how to promote lighting better, how to promote our growing industry to the marketplace, and answer any common questions that people may have. Because the reality of it is what we sell is a very commodity type of product. The industry is enormous. Everyone can potentially be our customer. It's one of the main reasons why we joined lighting, and now it's about promoting it, getting the market educated, and helping spread the information so that we can all benefit through better lighting, more energy efficiency, and at the end of the day, seriously, we all want to make money. We did realize that there was not another online forum via multimedia for people to share ideas, to communicate about issues in the industry that are pertinent to us. That's really what the purpose of this channel is. We'll be discussing different types of products and technologies and news. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, if there's any topics that you would like for us to cover, feel free to reach out. We'll leave all of our contact information below in the description. I'm Matt Kim with JL Lighting, and you've watched Just Lighting. Thank you.